mansion, she have vehicle, she have large house. Let me tell you, what the fuck you talk about say RT can live better when RT live better than you? Down to RT dog I live better than you and your blood clot man because 200 long Jamaica broke out hungry no blood clot. I mean rich and fiery and I live lavish. You are gonna make the mistake with you a fuck broke man. That's why I married, that's why Ramesh back so no. This idiot girl may I tell her I said the man no make sense, she need better than that. She gonna talk about RT can live better when RT dog I live better than her. Down to me dog Myro I live better than you. What the dog name? Myro. Me never say Milo. Bumbleclad. Everything me just a mix. The next one I gonna name T and Blue Go. Suck your mama. When man come out, the one fuck up Moya, we a fuck monkey man. Because she gonna put in a statement and go say, oh, RT. The time me walk over, bitch me a live better than Ono. Come lady, me tell you. None of you in a TikTok now live like me. Do what I know a cruff. Me don't know how you are going to say you are blood clot, girl, and your man has set you for beg. Big pussy girl, go look walk. The man is not good for you. You could never say you are blood clot, take man every day, yeah, the man get up a blood clot beg. Big and careless girl, no couple relationship, no that's no so. You know, say yeah, your man walk this to blood clot every day, you get up a live up a people. And then you have the audacity for you come out of your big bum out and go talk about if RT can live better when you get up with blood clot, they are hustle. The thing with this careless blood clot, this towel and tablecloth, when people start giving them dollar, them feel like smaddy. Moya, don't for blood clot, God say me mind you. Moya, don't forget to have enough dollar, chickle, feed you and your monkey over so. Moya, remember say my lion and rose, remember me feed you, bitch. Come let me talk to you. Don't this the hand that feed you. You rank no blood clot, I got talk about if RT I walk up here and RT can live better when you don't have Jamaica and your man broke. He now no couple broke. He now no lovable broke. He now no poverty broke. He now no happy broke. He now no broke and the man a fuck you and him still now broke. You don't see your fuck pan TG and TG a fuck pan you. You don't see a long time you don't know so. You are going to go like your blood clot good as TJ can't mind you, you fuck on him with man with Indian man who drive Benz now. When you come tell people them say you TJ ram out your whole about 2 him broke, you have to fuck on side for feed you. When I tell people them say TJ now make no money again, so you have to fuck on mine him because you chat too much to people them not give him no dollar again. Go suck your mama Moya. You're pretty no blood clot, but your pussy bow down to poverty. And I am trying to educate you, say you're too pretty for you there with a man. Let go the blood clot man, you're too pretty for dead so. Move your careless blood clot, beautiful fuck out. Nah no sense, me upgrade your whole. Imagine you know. This girl have a beautiful face. This girl have a beautiful face, a nice body, a beautiful face and a nice body, you know, and have an ambitious goal. You can imagine? A beautiful girl with a nice body and look how she take up. My dog will take up a concrete monkey, a dilated rectum. A man come attack you and talk about RG. How dare you? Rude and arrogant. Fuck out Moya. Out of order. Rude now. Not because you're dainty and you have a look of vice and thing. Me just a chop upgrade a look of pussy. You see somehow no no pussy ambition. Because somehow no know standard on the wall. Oh me and the dear and the obia man I look too crystal ball and I know see say your whole valuable. And me I try to put price for your whole because the economy high. I remember say you realize say it's the stock market and the economy and the inflation, everything I go high. So all me that try to do is try to make sure you know say the way oh you're pretty you can economy to budget to finance your whole. All you need is a new man. All me that do is upgrade the girl whole. The girl find it offensive just because me tell her say you're too good for TJ. Move your blood clot. You have a worthless pussy so you took up a worthless man. And then you come talk about and you know what burn me? He burn me, you know what burn me? If you see tablecloth, foot clot, I come and talk about live life when them bitch they beneath me. The blood clot girl they beneath my wife. I live life, I live lavish. You see what I say, my girl? Them girl can't stood to my wife. Them girl in no league. Because know what our relationship them in to blood clot. Them not happy like we. So I understand what she had to do. Look, a size up bitch. At 10 years we are doing a love story.